I wonder why I came into this room. What did I want? Have you ever done that? Enter the room and then forget what you came in for? Do you avoid writing down stuff and forget about it later? Forgetfulness can be the first sign of the brain aging. Want to know what you can do about it? Just dig deep into your kitchen cabinets. It turns out that herbs add flavor to your food and prevent neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. Making healthy food choices from a young age can safeguard your brain years down the road. Today's video will explore herbs that reverse brain aging and memory loss. Should you stock up on saffron? How important is it to have ginger? Ever heard of the Ayurvedic herb ashwagandha? We are discussing all that and more. Let's begin with one of the most popular herbs, ginger. There are 26 million people worldwide who are dealing with Alzheimer's today. Scientists predict that number will quadruple by 2050, but ginger can come to your rescue. This root herb consists of many bioactive compounds like gingerol and sugarols. Ginger decreases the production of inflammatory compounds that aid in the prevention of major neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and multiple sclerosis. Adding this powerful herb into your daily life is easy. Boil some freshly grated ginger and allow it to steep for 20 minutes, then strain into a glass. Add a tiny bit of honey and lemon juice and enjoy the delicious drink. Do you know what else can elevate this drink? A few mint leaves. There are multiple health benefits of this refreshing herb, from reducing acidity to aiding digestion, curing common colds, and boosting oral health. Flavorful mint leaves can do it all. But what you might not know is that mint can prevent memory loss too. It stimulates your brain, improving alertness and cognition. If you enjoy gardening, don't forget to grow this herb in your kitchen. It's as easy as growing a basil or cilantro plant. You don't have to do much as it grows. In no time, you'll have a steady supply of organic mint leaves and increase your brain power. Next up, say goodbye to forgetfulness with an Ayurvedic herb, Brahmi. This herb is a nootropic herb that has an affinity towards your nervous system. It can improve your memory, concentration, focus, and learning while protecting against cognitive decline. Nootropics also helps to support mood, sleep, and mental health. It's an herb that grows in wet, tropical climates and even underwater. Studies have shown that taking 300 milligrams for 12 weeks can improve memory. You can find extract capsules and powders in specialty stores. Support your diet with natural Brahmi supplements with Onnit Alpha Brain Premium Nootropic Brain Supplement. They are free from artificial flavors and chemical preservatives. Additionally, they have cat's claw and oat straw to substantially impact your neurological system. Just check the description box for the product link. Next up, add saffron for the win. This herb is considered king. The floral notes and gorgeous orange color of saffron are excellent for your mental health apart from a handful of other health benefits. Saffron is rich in carotenoids, vitamin C, and phytochemicals like quercetin and safranol that help treat depression and anxiety. Add a pinch of saffron strands to hot water to make an exotic tea, or include them in your risottos, meat dishes, ice cream, sweets, and beverages to add a bit of reddish orange color. Studies confirm that saffron has the potential to improve memory and other cognitive impairment-related disorders. Remember to stay under 5 grams of saffron daily, as overeating can have toxic effects. Pregnant folks should avoid this herb entirely. Modern research also shows ashwagandha protects brain cells. This herb has been a staple of ancient Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. It has incredible healing properties and improves spatial, visual memory, decreases oxidative brain stress, and prevents nerve degeneration. It boosts mental agility by enhancing the concentration of acetylcholine, a compound closely related to memory. A study of 50 adults taking 600 milligrams of ashwagandha extract for about 8 weeks could improve attention, information processing speed, and overall memory. So give these medicines a try. Having frequent memory lapses? Use rosemary. Did you know ancient Greek students wore rosemary garlands during exams to remember better? Rosemary has shown an astounding impact on improving memory and learning. This wonderfully nourishing herb is rich in terpenes, phenolic acids, and flavones that are potent antioxidants slowing brain aging. The smell of rosemary can enhance memory. According to a study, students working in a room with rosemary essential oils achieved better results in tests than those who did not work with the scent. Rosemary also safeguards you against Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and ADHD. It can improve cognition, memory, and alertness, and giving you a mental feeling of being alive. Infuse your coffee or tea with rosemary or add it to your marinades, dressings, and salads. Are you struggling with concentration? Cinnamon tea can be great. The legend goes that the ancient Egyptians valued cinnamon more than gold because of its long-held medicinal benefits. Cinnamon is loaded with antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties, and it is beneficial for the brain too. Just a whiff of this powerful herb is enough to trigger dopamine production and improve motor function in Parkinson's patients. It also improves memory. Animal studies found cinnamon to enhance cognition and reduce oxidation in the brain. Have you tried cinnamon tea yet? Boil 1 cup of hot water and add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and a pinch of cinnamon to make a huge difference in your tea. Moving along, have you heard of ginkgo biloba? Ancient Chinese medicine used ginkgo biloba leaves and seeds to improve blood flow and brain function. This tree is also described as a living fossil as it is the only surviving species of animal plants. Modern medicine uses ginkgo extract to improve mental performance and well-being. Lemon balm could also be a life-changing herb. Lemon balm belongs to the mint family. Its soothing properties makes it a gift from nature and help calm your nerves. It is effective against digestive disturbances, inflammation, and viruses like Epstein-Barr shingles and countless chronic illnesses. Dried lemon balm leaves makes a lovely herbal tea. Fresh leaves offer an even more energizing, lighter scent and flavor to the drink. It monitors your stores of vitamins and keeps your body from using them cautiously. It can relieve anxiety and help you sleep better. According to a study, people consuming lemon balm extract for 4 months had better cognition. So get your hands on this life-changing herb. Another herb that you should never miss out on is sage. This aromatic spice contains antioxidants like cholinergic acid, caffeic acid, ellagic, and rutin. It is linked to impressive health benefits like lowering cancer and improving brain health and memory function. Traditionally, it is used to reduce cholesterol. Burning sage is considered sacred in many cultures. It promotes mental alertness. Try burning a couple of dried sage sticks to experience a relaxed and calm ambience at your home. You can easily add this versatile herb to soups, stews, and baked dishes. It's available in fresh, dried, and brown forms. Nutmeg is another excellent herb to add to your diet, and here are a few reasons. The aromatic autumn spice tastes great and complements multiple dishes and drinks. It adds a nutty, sweet taste and is packed with health benefits. Studies have shown a compound called myristicin present in nutmeg inhibits the growth of beta-amyloid plaques that is associated with Alzheimer's disease. Sprinkle some powdered nutmeg over a hot cup of milk and a few drops of raw honey with 1 crushed cardamom pod. It indeed keeps your winter blues away and gives a boost to your brain. I think I'm forgetting something. Oh, wait, there is one last herb on our list. Turmeric. This golden spice is not just a trend. It has superb healing powers and minimal toxic effects. Curcumin acts as a powerful antioxidant that reduces cholesterol and prevents heart disease. This brain-boosting herb increases longevity and is considered anti-aging as it promotes a state of balance. A study shows that it even prevents dementia. This ancient spice is celebrated both as a food and medicine equally. Use fresh organic turmeric powder to make a cup of turmeric tea. It's caffeine-free and gives anti-inflammatory benefits. Likewise, you can add this herb to your smoothies, stews, and curries. But a word of caution, consult a doctor before adding these herbs to your regimen. They might cause allergies and other serious health issues in some. We all forget things from time to time, but when it begins to affect your day-to-day life, it could be a sign of dementia. Despite being common, dementia is not a part of normal aging. If you want to prevent it with natural food and herbs, check out these videos. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and ensure you're keeping your brain healthy. Which of these herbs do you have every day? Let us know in the comments below.